Hello and welcome to today's video on how to acquire historical people counting data from devices connected to DSS server. As you may know, in previous versions of DSS, you could only see people counting data from the day you connected the device to DSS. But now in 8.6 and later, you can also acquire historical data before the day you connected the device to DSS server. So if we go to configuration, intelligent analysis, we can create our people counting group. So people counting group 1. We can turn on pace number so you can see the number of people passing if the device supports this function. You can calibrate the number of people staying every day. So at this time, for example, at 1 o'clock in the morning, the calibrated number of people inside will be, for example, 2, because I have 2 security guards every night in the location. Limit number of people, we can select the threshold. For example, for 100 people, if our building has limit of how many people can be there. And then we select the camera and the people counting rule we have on the camera. If we have more than one people counting rule on one camera, we can also select it and we will see more rules here. In our case, we have only one. We click on add and you see one rule with the threshold here. And when we go to intelligent analysis here, we can see the number of people entering, exiting since we created the group. So I created the group now. I have no people entering, exiting. And here in historical people number, you can see the number of people from this day. So I connected the device in the evening, but I have the number of people from the whole day. But the problem is I don't have number of people from previous week, for example. You see, 0 people. What I can do in 8.6 and later, I can click on acquire records, put my login password here, and now I can select the camera, select the date range up to 7 days. So for example, from 27th to yesterday, click on OK, and it's extracting this data. It's successful. I can search again, and you see I have the data from the previous week. If you want to acquire more records, you have to click on it again, and you can select again 7 days, maybe from the week before that. So like this, click on OK, it's extracting, successful. Now you can search from people counting data from this date, for example, and you can go to the past more and more if you have the data on the device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. If you have any question, leave a comment and have a nice day.